little video to show you how to swap out the mirror glass in your rear view mirror on the Nissan Navara Np300. So it's likely that it could be cracked, or you could have a heated element that stopped working and you need to change it. So Ian's going to give a little demo of how to do it. So push at the top
first,
and then you grab the bottom
underneath,
and it's gonna rotate it out at the bottom.
And then unhook the top.
And right,
so the bottom clips on is the first thing you have to.
Hold on, where am I? I'm looking in the wrong place. Right, I'm there. I got it. Yeah. So so these bottom clips, I've got like a sort of, they've got two jaws and they clamp. That's it.
And then the top hooks in.
The tops are hooks. So that's why you've got to pull the bottom out. So those bottom sort of two jaws clamp round that bar there, and then but the top you need to hook under there. There you go. And it's heated, so one thing you can see
is just those two heated wires there.
And it won't matter which way round they are. They look like they're the same. They should just pull off. They look
the same.
The same. Because it's only passing current through a cable, so it shouldn't matter.
They'll have a security pin in them.
Have they got? Nah, just give them a pull. Normally they just give them a. Oh, watch my mirror.
They've got a little security pin in them. So they've got a little hole in the.
In the
spade,
tab there, in the spade,
and then there'll be a little
little
pin in that just to help secure it and stop it pulling off so easy.
And then just do the replacement while we're here. So the trick is obviously to hook those top ones in, and you had to go in at quite a steep angle, didn't you? Because we did.
Yeah, you want to go in at like
quite
a bit. You can see there. It's got to go in. If you can look from the bottom and see that it's.
It's hooked. Right? Good tip.
And then as you push it, you'll ratchet it back first,
and then
it should stop, and then it should go with a good click.
Yeah, that's the best way of doing it. And then put it back to center and adjust your mirror. Good luck with that. We'll do another video of how to remove your mirror, and we'll put the little link there. So we'll do that, and you can see how to do that.